Okay, we're gonna do we're gonna work on a RC car, a crawler, and we're gonna do the Proline Racing Bring the Best. These are the 1.9 inch Predator super soft rock terrain truck tires. I always like stickers. I mean, these feel great. Come with a foam, but we're gonna change that out. But yeah. And we're building a Comp 2 crawler based on the new rules that were released for 2023. Okay, yeah, these are good. I'll be installing these anti-foams that we picked up from Three Brothers Racing. This is their 1.9 dual stage. Never had to play with these before, so this is going to be all new in testing. And I'm going to get these installed, and of course we're going to do some testing in a couple of weeks. I mean, these are definitely 3D printed, and I picked up a pack of these tuning rods. Picked up the small ones so they can be used in the smaller areas. No rhyme or reason they had the large ones as well, but decided to go with the smaller ones first. You can definitely see that crush first. You can feel the difference. It does get stiffer. Okay. All right, and then we also, I'm going to put a lot of weight on the front end of this truck, on this crawler, so I picked up a pack of their tire inserts. It's for to give extra sidewall protection, or to reinforce the sidewall. Only come 2 to a pack, but these are supposed to sit on the outside of the tire to help fill the tire up more, and is supposed to give it more structure. I don't know about that. We'll have to see on that. Be some testing. I'll have to see how this works. Alright, so this is going to be the outside. So that went in like that. Okay. This doesn't seem to have any bias, so either way is going to work. We'll stick this in. Oh yeah, so that's definitely what needs to be. You want to work the tire out around it, because this is going to set behind, it's going to set behind this lip right here and help pinch it to the rim. Alright, we're still working with the, this is the